What's up? Welcome back. My name is Summer. This is Rosie. She's a little camera shy today, but welcome back, guys. I have a really cool video to be sharing with you guys today. I'm gonna be showing you this beautiful beachy seating area that I created for some new clients. You may have seen in a previous video where I made over their bathroom, where we did this really beautiful beachy wallpaper in there. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you this little seating nook that we did. It was kind of like used as a dining space in the previous life. It was like a dining room area, but they wanted it to be more casual and just more of like indoor outdoor space and kind of like watching Sunday football. So check out this space, this beachy seating area. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would ask that you please subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe. You may even want to hit the little bell if you want notifications when I have new videos that would come up, and that would be greatly appreciated. All right, back to the video. Check out what I do. We are cruising back into Hermosa Beach, where almost all my clients are, and it's surfer vibes all day long. I do just want to preface this video with the fact that, like, as the scope of my projects are growing, which I'm so stoked for, so is the time that I'm like actually doing the physical labor. I had the opportunity to work with a contractor on this project, and it came out so awesome. When I first checked out the space, it was being used as a dining room / makeshift office area. All the furniture seemed really dark and kind of heavy, and they really wanted this to be really light and airy and kind of like an indoor outdoor space where they could like watch Sunday football, have the doors open, see the beach, and just like really bring the outside in. And so we wanted to lighten this space up and give it another like life purpose. I came up with a mood board for this beachy seating area, and when the clients told me originally that they wanted like this, like the Kentucky Derby meets the beach, like Hermosa Beach, I was like just running with it. I thought it was such a cute vibe, so I decided to do this like shiplap wall. I came up with a mood board by using this app Milanote that I've been telling you guys about forever now. The clients did in the end decide to wait on like doing the Kentucky Derby horsey vibe because they were gonna like dedicate a whole nother room to doing the horse vibe, but I still felt like this like whole concept worked for the space, but we just eliminated some items and it came out so good. I've been enjoying using the app Milanote just because it's a place for me to keep organized and a place where I can like show my clients, they can make purchases immediately, and it's really awesome. If you haven't checked it out yet, I highly recommend it. I drew up some sketches for this beautiful beachy seating area, and I knew I had an immediate vision of how I wanted this space to be. I wanted it to be really bright, really airy, and I thought that bringing this like beautiful shiplap into the space would really just kind of brighten it up and kind of still give them that vibe of like the Kentucky Derby meets the beach, even though we did decide to eliminate some of that horsey vibes. But seeing this go up with a contractor was amazing. It was awesome. Everything we were adding to the space was so white and bright that I wanted to add like just a little hint of color, and this Hinting Blue by Sherwin-Williams is the perfect color to add to an accent wall. No project of mine is complete without adding a little bit of art. I always like to suggest to clients by supporting local artists or getting like original artwork created, but if it's not included in your budget, it doesn't mean that you can't still have art in your space or support local artists. There's this website called Society 6 that you can purchase artwork. They're just prints, but they come framed and matted, and they're beautiful, and they can be a little bit more affordable for your space. I literally typed in Hermosa Beach art and found this beautiful print, and we had it in a customed framed, and it looked great. beach home that I designed. You may have seen in a previous video. Let's check out this space and then see what we got. Hold on, I don't like that. Yeah, just be a part of the video. Yeah, you can be a part of the video. Why not be a part of the video? Rosie. Do you love me? I love you. You want to go to the squirrel park? And maybe get a treat? And have a bone? And go to the squirrel park? I can take you.